Warning, this will be loud, so turn down your volume because this is a jet truck. It's got a jet engine. Just wait, you'll see why I'm recording this. This is my live vlogs for the day. I'm gonna do another live vlogs tomorrow. It's not gonna be the jet truck, it's gonna be something else. It's gonna be something special to me. It's gonna be sentimental, and I might cry. Just saying. No, I'm not actually gonna cry. My cousin. This may be a decently long video because I don't know how long it's going to take for him to line up.
I want you to hear about a tower to see this also. Here's a take reader. If you're here, there's a tower to 100. And here you go.
I don't remember which lane he lines up in. I don't know if it's tower side or if it's this side. However, it's still going to be loud either way. I think I'm going to cut to when he lines up. Here's the truck.